Thank you for purchasing the Farmer Helper brand boom-mounted sickle bar hedge mower attachment. Here at Betstco, we strive to make your purchase as easy and pleasant as possible. We have produced this short video to assist you with the unpacking and assembling of this machine. Here is the hardware and tools needed. A metric socket set, a metric wrench set, a hammer and cat's paw, wire cutters, impact drill. Here is the hardware that you will need. A. The bar. B. The head support bracket. C. Connector pin. D. The motor. E. The stand legs. F. The long pin for the boom arm with lock nut. G. The short pin for the front arm with the lock nut. H. Stabilizer bracket bolt with lock nut. I. 4 bolts to attach the head to the motor with the lock nuts. J. The bolt for the connector to the bar with the lock nut. K. 4 bolts for the motor mount with lock nuts. L. The lock nut and washers for the connector rod. Step 1. Cut the straps. Step 2. Lay the machine down. Use assistance. Step 4. Remove the parts and hardware. Step 5. Attach the base using 21mm socket and a 22mm wrench. Step 6. Attach the sickle bar to the motor using the 16mm wrench and 15mm socket. Step 7. Attach the stand legs using supplied set screws. Step 8. Remove the stabilizer bracket bolt from the motor head as shown before continuing. Install the connector pin using the washer and lock nut L. Stud should pass through the bearing on the connector rod. Line up the connector bracket with the bracket on the sickle bar and attach using hardware J. Step 9. Attach the stabilizer rod to the motor head with the screw that was removed in the previous step. Attach the stabilizer rod to the bar with hardware H. Step 10. Once attached, tighten down the stabilizer with a 16mm wrench. Tighten the hardware on the connector rod with a 19mm wrench and 18mm socket. Step 11. Attach the front arm cylinder with the pin and lock nut G. Step 12. Attach the boom cylinder with the pin and lock nut F. Boom sickle complete.